According to the UK immigration website gov.uk, from January 2025, some key important immigration documents will be replaced from January 2025. These documents include Biometric Residence Permits BRP, Biometric Residence Cards BRC, passport endorsements, such as indefinite leave to enter wet ink stamps and vignette stickers in passports, such as entry clearance or visa vignettes. All the above documents will be replaced with new e-visas, which are online immigration statuses that will make things very easy for the UK rather than using cards. So, many people don't know what electronic visas are all about and how it will be used to replace BRP and BRC in the UK. Well, don't worry, because we have been digging out information about these e-visas and are excited to let you know everything on this and how it's going to work. So, grab a cup of coffee and let me give you all insights about UK e-visas, how it will be used to replace B.R.Ps, and all you need to understand about the new e-visas. But before we begin, please, if you've not already, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be updated whenever we publish new updates. Without any further delays, let's begin. What is an e-visa? An e-visa is an online record of your immigration status and the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. You will need to create a U-account to be able to access your e-visa. Updating your physical document to an e-visa does not affect your immigration status or the conditions of your permission to enter or stay in the UK. In the future, you'll be able to use an e-visa to travel to the UK. You will not need to carry a physical document, except for your current passport, which must be registered to your UK account. Until the end of 2024, you will need to continue to carry your physical document when you travel, if you have one. The benefits of e-visas include: they are secure and cannot be lost, stolen or tampered with, unlike a physical document. You will not need to wait for or collect a physical document after your application is decided. You might still need to provide biometric information in person, and we will tell you if you need to do this. It will be quicker and easier to prove your status at the UK border and share your status with third parties like employers and landlords. Why do I need a UK account? UK are replacing physical documents with an online record of your immigration status. You need to create a UK account to access your e-visa and share information about your immigration status and conditions, such as your right to work or rent in the UK, using the View and Prove service. How will I use my UK account? Once you have created your UK account, you will be able to view the details of your e-visa online, for example, your type of permission, when it expires, and your conditions of stay in the UK. You can update your personal information in your UK account, such as your contact details. Your e-visa will be linked to your passport in your account. You must keep your passport or ID card details up to date in your UK account and tell us about any changes, so that your immigration status can be easily identified at the UK border. You'll still need to carry your current passport with you. If you've told us you have a new passport and you're still waiting for confirmation that your UK account has been updated, you should also carry your old document with you, if possible, to avoid unnecessary delays at the border. How do I get an e-visa and a UK account? If you have a Biometric Residence Permit BRP that expires on 31st December 2024, we will tell you how to create a U-account and access your e-visa before the expiry date of your BRP. If you have already been contacted to create an account, either by email or in a decision letter, you can now follow the instructions we sent you to create a UK account. If you have not yet been contacted about creating an account, you'll be able to create your account and access your e-visa later in 2024. If you have permission to stay in the UK, once you've created your account, you will be able to sign into the View and Prove service to access your e-visa. If you need to make a new application for permission to stay in the UK, you should follow the usual application process. There will be information and guidance provided during your application process if you need to create a UK account. If you need help, use the UK account contact form if you need help with creating your account and getting access to your e-visa. If you do not have internet access or do not have access to a device like a computer, laptop or smartphone, you can get help filling in your online application. We hope you were able to get all the insights about the new e-visas. Don't forget to subscribe for more important visas updates.